Sisi hadin belarung yeladi syaka Bharatiya Janata Party banyakun yak election house nam arja arpulai MLA barem jong kamau senram uba Himalaya sang pliang ulapan pau bakadon jingïapher sibun bah habai nujor nongïalam bah khledu jong ki National People Party hapdeng ki nongïalam ka party ka Congress bat ki he nongïalam ka BJP habai keren bat kilat patai khubor hapo ka office trekam jong ka BJP ha Shillong ba sang pliang uloong ba ki nongïalam ka BJP kilong ki bakoloi banyakandu bat kilong ru ki barenti bah bat ki badan ya ka jingtmu nak benta ban syakri sisai pai ba kum hak Congress haba kilej banyakandu hadali ya kino nongïalam bah hakmat Kim Jio alat satya.
So you know very well the Congress had undergone a lot of crisis in between. In the 2020-21, there was a crisis at the center level. There was a crisis in the state, and there was like-minded friends who came out from the Congress, and we joined Trinamool Congress at that point of time. Trinamool Congress eventually was not acceptable to my people in my constituency. I tried to convince my people, and they were saying that it is not a party where they would love to be in. And they were the one who suggested me to go to the BJP, because the rural people in my constituency, they understand how much Modi ji has helped them during the COVID time. Even till date, the rice that Narendra Modi ji had given is popularly known as Modi's rice. In Khasi they call khraw Modi. So even that is so popular now. Therefore, the people themselves have asked me, please go to BJP, and that's how I am here in BJP today.
Yes. Mahima, you have mentioned the word crisis.
Yes.
So you have been with the Congress.
Yes.
And the TMC and the BJP, where you have just joined yesterday.
Yeah.
And met JP Nadda, who is national president.
Right.
What is the difference between these three leaders of these three parties that you have already associated with?
Well, there's a lot of difference in the way that the Congress was functioning. It was not possible even to meet any central leaders of the Congress whenever we went to Delhi to meet them. Leave aside meeting Sonia Gandhi. And yesterday, at one instance, the appointment was kept at 2 p.m. and the national president of the BJP, JP Nadda ji, was present there at 2 p.m. to meet us. That is the way the commitment is seen by us. That is the difference that is seen by us. That means the leadership under the BJP are disciplined. The leadership under the BJP means business, and they are committed to serve the people. Well, the decision to join the BJP is mainly because of the changes that we want to bring in the state, the development that we want to give to the people. There is a lot that we should be doing for the state. The roads and communication that we want to bring. We want to bring bigger roads. We want to build bridges. We want to give roads to the rural areas. The PMGSY right now is also not extended to most of the rural areas. We would like to see an extensive development of rural roads in the next 5 years. And we would like to bring medical colleges, engineering colleges, wherein the youths of the state would get an opportunity to study in these colleges instead of going outside the state to study. Getting seats in medical colleges and engineering colleges have become a big pain and big problem for our youth. If we have our own colleges, it would be a lot beneficial for them. We would like to bring a lot of development for the rural areas as well, wherein we would like to give rural housing for the poor. The JJM would have to go in a more larger scale, though it is being implemented now. We would like to see every household getting a water connection. We'd like to see many other developments in the health sector as well. We need good hospitals in the state. We would like to have a massive cancer hospital coming up. We'd like to a lot of schools to come up. In fact, government schools, government colleges should be coming up. Therefore, if I if I count the list, it is endless. There's a lot of things for us to do. And this can be possible only through the help of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, because it is through his hands and through his visions and dreams that we can convert Meghalaya under the banner of the BJP. And that is why I joined the BJP.